So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix iPhone mirroring not working after iOS 27 update. So after updating iPhone to iOS 27, many people reported that iPhone mirroring is not working. For example, let's open iPhone mirroring on a Mac. Now let's type the password. Now this says connection interrupted. So basically, if you're facing this issue, then there are a few things that you can try. First of all, click on this control center. Now here enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And do the same on your iPhone. In case the issue is still not fixed, then restart your Mac. For this, click on this Apple icon. Now here click on restart. Now click on restart again. After this, open iPhone mirroring again and see if it's working or not. If the issue is still not fixed, then click on this iPhone mirroring option. Now click on settings. Now here click on revoke iPhone access. Click on revoke. Now close this window. And now this will ask for the password again. Enter the password. Now here click on enable iPhone. Now unlock your iPhone. Now once you do this, iPhone mirroring should work fine. In case the issue is still not fixed, then probably the issue is with iOS 27. And there's nothing you can do to fix it. Wait for the next update and this will get fixed on its own. So this I can fix iPhone mirroring not working on iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.